Welcome to Session 3 of the HEX Method for quitting smoking. From this point on, we're diving deeper into the real transformation. In this session, we'll explore one of the most powerful tools for rewiring the subconscious, hypnosis. You've probably heard of hypnosis. But what is it really? Is it magic? Mind control? Absolutely not. Hypnosis is a deeply focused mental state that allows you to communicate directly with your subconscious mind. Your subconscious is where habits live. It's the reason you reach for a cigarette when you're stressed or bored. You don't think about it, it just happens. That's because your brain has been trained to respond that way for years. With hypnosis, we bypass the critical thinking mind and go straight to the core where beliefs and habits are formed. It's like editing the code behind your behavior and installing a new version of yourself. Think of your subconscious like a computer running old software. I need nicotine to feel calm. Through hypnosis, we uninstall that outdated program and replace it with a new one. I am calm, free, and in control. Hypnosis is not sleep. You're not unconscious. You're actually more aware, just deeply relaxed and focused. In this state, your mind is wide open to positive suggestions and new beliefs that support your freedom. You can't be forced to do anything under hypnosis. You're always in control. All it does is help you access a deeper part of your mind, the part that's ready for change but doesn't know how to do it alone. That's why we use hypnosis in the HEX method. It's one of the 6 core tools we use to break the emotional and mental chains of addiction so you can finally feel free, empowered, and completely yourself again. In this session, we'll explore how hypnosis works step by step. You don't need to be special or gifted to use it. Your brain already knows how to enter this state, you just need guidance. And that's exactly what I'll give you. So get ready. We're going to take your mind to a place where change becomes natural, where the old cravings fade, and a new version of you begins to take over. It's time to reprogram your mind and reclaim your freedom. Before we go deeper, if you haven't watched the first 2 sessions, pause here. Go back and watch them. They're not just helpful, they're essential. You need that foundation before continuing. The HEX method is a journey. Skipping steps weakens the impact. So please, go watch sessions 1 and 2 if you haven't. I'll be right here when you get back. And while you're there, don't forget to hit the like button. It really helps the channel grow. And make sure to subscribe so you never miss any future sessions. Also, tap the notification bell. That way, you'll get a heads up the moment we post a new video. We're building something powerful here, and you're part of it. Alright, now let's talk about hypnosis. But before we go into any techniques, we need to understand something very important. Hypnosis requires certain conditions to work properly. It's not about magic words or someone snapping their fingers. Hypnosis only works if your mind is ready to accept the process. That means no distractions, no resistance, and a willingness to trust. The first requirement? A calm, quiet space. You can't enter a focused state if your phone's buzzing or people are talking nearby. So find a place where you feel safe and undisturbed. Next, your posture matters. Sit or lie down in a comfortable position. Not too stiff, not too lazy. You want your body to relax without falling asleep. Balance is key. Also, set an intention. Say to yourself, I'm ready to change. Your mind listens to your internal voice more than anything else. The clearer your intention, the deeper the result. Finally, let go of expectations. Don't try to control the experience. Just follow the voice, relax, and allow the process to unfold naturally. Hypnosis isn't something you do, it's something you allow. Take a deep breath and relax. There's no rush here. You don't need to master everything in one day. Hypnosis is a process. Walk with me, step by step, and let's build something powerful together. If this feels slow, that's a good thing. True transformation happens gradually. Like learning a language or playing music, it requires patience, practice, and presence. At this point, you've taken your first real steps into self-hypnosis. Congratulations! You're ahead of most people just by choosing to learn how your own mind works. So far, we've talked about the foundation. What hypnosis is, how it works, and what you need to begin. You've already unlocked powerful knowledge more than most people ever learn. Now it's time to shift from learning to preparing. Think of yourself like a computer programmer. Before you write new code, you have to identify the old bugs. Your bugs are your bad habits, things you do without thinking, even when they hurt you. Smoking is one of them. But there might be more. Let's bring them to the surface. Ask yourself, what habits do I want to let go of? What thoughts repeat that no longer serve me? We need to see the patterns clearly before we can change them. You don't have to fix everything right now. Just notice. Awareness is the first key. In the next sessions, we'll start rewriting your inner programming line by line. This is where things get exciting. You're not just learning, you're transforming. We're laying the groundwork now so that future hypnotic suggestions take root deeply. So stay with me. Don't skip. Every part matters. We're reprogramming your mind to help you break free. And the most beautiful part, you're doing it with full awareness. If you found value in this session, don't forget to hit the like button. It helps more people discover this journey and gives me the energy to keep creating. Also, make sure to subscribe and turn on the bell so you never miss the next step. Thanks for staying with me until the end. We're just getting started, so many breakthroughs are ahead. I'll see you in the next session, where we dive even deeper into the power of your mind. Until then, stay aware, stay powerful.